algorithms and data structures are really at the heart of computation. They strike at the question of what can and can't computers do. And so we have designed this program to provide an in-depth understanding of various computational problems and how to solve them using a variety of algorithms. So you'll learn how to design and implement algorithms to verify their efficiency and correctness as well. And then you'll explore how to use advanced data structures, which will really support these algorithmic concepts. So the program is going to be composed of 10 modules. Throughout the program, you'll also find activities and assessments that will allow you to practice key concepts and apply the methods that we are teaching you in this course. There will be one graded assignment in each of the modules. You are required to complete 8 out of 10 of these graded assignments to receive the certificate of completion for the course. And for those of you who want to challenge yourself even further, there are bonus assignments at the end of each module to help you advance your learning and hone your programming and analytic skills. You will use Python to compute these programming assignments. We really hope that you learn to design, analyze, and implement algorithms, as you might expect to do in your own professional scenarios.
As you move through the program, remember that you are part of a global cohort from a wide variety of cultural and professional backgrounds. We hope you'll use this opportunity to compare notes and network with your colleagues. This program includes 24-hour support for technical issues through program support. Experienced learning facilitators will respond to content inquiries to further your learning. These resources are available for your benefit, so please take advantage of them if you need help. We hope you're ready to go, so let's get started.